So since love is in the air, it's Valentine's week. So did anyone approach you for this Valentine's? Or are you single?
I'm single.
Waiting to get mingled, or you're gonna stay single?
I'm gonna stay single.
Stay single. So no
Yeah.
one approached you this week?
No, and I don't want anyone to approach me as well.
Why? You're comfortable single?
Yeah, I'm comfortable single. Being single is
Okay.
fun and like
Go out with friends, sleep, college, that's it. I don't believe in Valentine's.
So you're single?
Yeah.
Okay. No, nothing happened for you this entire week. No proposals, nothing.
No, not really. It's always been the same. Stay at
इसका
home.
Proposal ज़्यादा बड़ा. हाँ? Stay at home with someone or all alone? All by yourself?
All alone.
Sad यार. ऐसा you're lying, I guess.
No, I'm serious.
Serious?
I've never been in a relationship so far.
Guys, ये देखो available है बंदी. Nothing happened for you guys?
No love in the air for us.
Why? Why so?
Not interested.
So are you guys single or committed?
Single.
Still no one approached you guys. So
No, I don't think that happens as much anymore. Like, just because it's Valentine's Day. Just another day.
Just another day. All of you all are single, is it?
Yeah.
I'm getting married.
Cool, yeah. So you can celebrate your Valentine's before you get married. Not with your husband, yeah.
What do you mean?
don't give her ideas.
But that's a good idea.
So any pickup line which you remember last year, maybe someone tried on you, the cheesy ones.
Yeah. There was this one. I dropped my drink when I saw you owe me a drink apparently.
Okay.
So I asked why. So he's like, because I dropped mine when I saw you in my world of imagination.
Okay. So did that work?
No, obviously not. He's blocked. So yeah.
Sad. No. Nothing. Why?
I'm so sad. I don't know. Maybe no one likes me.
Because you just frighten them before they approach you. Don't cross that line. You friend zone them most of the time, I think.
I guess no one likes me.
It's not the case, sir. I like you already.
Not on me, but on one of my friend.
Huh?
He said, "Are you tired?" So she said no.
Okay.
He's like, "Oh no, because you've been running on my mind all night long." We're like, "Oh my
Okay.
god."
So did that work on her?
No way. Are you serious?
So
That's
do
like,
you think pickup lines work?
I don't
No,
think they work.
They
I
don't.
don't think so.
How do a guy should approach you? I mean, if the pickup lines don't work, what do you see in a guy?
Pickup lines don't work, definitely.
They don't.
It doesn't work. It's not like you approach in one go and it works, you know.
Yeah.
We look at them over time, observe them. If we like them, then we
So if you are in MG Road, I need to pass by again and again so that you observe me, and then he's the guy.
Let's just go out to this place, that place.
I see randomly someone comes and let's go out.
My friends. People I know have asked me out, not random people.
Random people don't. So if I want to approach you, how should I approach you? कैसे पटोगी तुम मुझसे आज? तो अभी इस साल कुछ नहीं हुआ. Nothing happened for you this year. Sad Valentine's.
No, not really. It's just that I don't want to.
तुमने प्यार के दरवाजे बंद कर दिए ऐसा है कुछ?
Nothing like that.
What things become the costliest? The market goes for those articles up, soars high.
I guess chocolates.
Only chocolates, roses,
Roses.
market value. Flowers, chocolates,
Yeah.
gifts.
I just said my fiance promise. Today was a promise day.
Okay.
He's
Credit
like,
card का
oh.
bills नहीं जाता क्या? किसी ने भी बोला credit card के bills भी
जाता है?
मतलब लड़कों के specially.
Oh, okay.
And then you'll have to book a table and all that.
Restaurant के prices.
Spend every day, so I have no idea.
अच्छा condoms के prices नहीं बढ़ते क्या? MRP पे ही रहता है ना? Okay.
But sales might be.
Sales might.
Chocolates, teddies, roses, everything.
Everything goes up. So do you think it's justified to celebrate a single day for a love day as such? Valentine's?
I really don't. That's why we don't. That's why we don't do it, because apparently, if you love someone, you have to show it throughout the year, kind of thing. It's just not one day or something.
So Valentine's Day means nothing to you guys.
Not
chill and
really.
it's okay.
Yeah, it's just a normal day for us.
Saying what the fuck is going on?
Of course.
Why? Can't we celebrate 365 days as love days? If we love someone, one day is not enough, I believe.
But love remains. Sometimes it fades away. Because
away.
everyone's love is not true love.
So one day you need one day to celebrate love, isn't it?
Yeah, I guess so.
Love, I don't want to talk about it.
Why? Heart broken. दिल टूट गया है क्या तुम्हारा?
No. It's too complicated. Love is too complicated. That's what I believe, and it's
Okay.
not fun. It's
I think you can help her.
It's painful.
About her.
Love is painful.
Will you be my Valentine?
No, I already said I'm.
You're friend zoning me already.
I'm saying I told you I want to be single forever.
Okay. प्यार हुआ इकरार हुआ प्यार से फिर क्यों डरता है दिल यार डरो मत spread love like wildfire and spread this video as much as you can